They simply told me that our bank account was under arrest. And the very next day, there was a new fabricated criminal case against our foundation. But the fact that the bank blocked our bank account one day before the criminal case means that they did it just on someone's demand. Someone called to the bank and told them to block our bank account, and they just did it. And this type of situation occurred to us many times. Here on this screenshot, you can see the list of our legal entities here, and all of the bank accounts being blocked. Because it was the easiest method for the regime to target us, since the banking system in Russia is fully transparent and fully controlled by the government. And every time when they blocked our bank account, we had to start a new legal entity in order to keep operating, to start a new bank account. We could keep operating for a couple of more months, and then they do it again to a new legal entity. And after debanking all of our legal entities, they started attacking our employees by debanking all of them individually, because they were linked to our legal entities. They were receiving salaries, so all the recipients of salaries, all of their bank accounts were blocked. And the most ridiculous story was when they blocked the bank account of Alexei Navalny himself and his family members. It was ridiculous because he was never our employee. He was never like legally linked to our legal entities, but they still blocked their bank accounts because why not? And this type of situation occurred to us many times because another story like this is when my colleague, she stashed her savings in the backyard in the ground because it was no longer safe for her to keep her money in the bank account because it can be blocked any moment, and she didn't want to keep it in cash at home because there were police raids, and every time when they come, they just seize all the cash savings that they find. They take our phones, our gadgets, and all the cash that they find. And eventually, it became hard for us to operate inside the country because all people were scared to receive any money from us. It became hard to find a contractor willing to print some anti-Putin posters for us. Or if we wanted to rent some office, no one wanted to rent out an office because they didn't want to receive rent payments from us.